Hello. Today I have a Lenovo laptop. This is an 80MJ laptop, and I'm going to do an SSD upgrade. This has a 500 gigabyte hard drive in it that is extremely slow. One of the slower computers I've used recently. So as I was working with the customer, I basically explained what solid state drives are and how it would benefit, and she said, yes, let's go ahead and do the upgrade. So just going to make sure it's powered off. Battery is inside, so I can't just take the battery out. Maybe I had to slide something to get these to unlock, but I just pull them out. So I'm going to replace this 500 gigabyte hard drive with a 250 gig solid state drive. Okay, so I've restarted and my computer detects the customer's drive, which is this 500 gigabyte Seagate. I'm just going to double check that this looks right. Explore, oh yeah. And then my Crucial MX500 250 gig SSD is here. So I'm going to be copying disk 7, customer disk, to disk 4. I just like to say that out loud so I can do it without fretting. Disk 7 to disk 4. Disk 4 is unallocated, no problem. So it has 3 partitions and then the main partition. It's going to fit everything to the disk. That's fine. Disk 7 to disk 4, apply. Okay, that was strange. Disk 4 is my MX500. I'm going to delete those partitions. I don't have faith that they are okay. I'm going to try that again. Copy disk 7 to disk 4. Right, I'm going to have to restart my computer to do this properly, so I'll be back in a few minutes. So for some reason, Partition Wizard is unable to copy this disk when it's plugged in through the SATA connector. So I've disconnected the hard drive and plugged it into a SATA to USB adapter and plugged that into one of my USB 3 ports. So the computer can see the disk again and browse the contents of the disk. So I'm going to attempt once again to copy this onto disk 4, which is my Crucial MX500. I'll just wipe what's on there. And fingers crossed, this time it'll work. Let's see. This is the adapter that worked. I'm going to have to look into why my SATA connection is often failing. I don't think it's the SATA connection. I feel like Windows is trying to use the drive for some reason. So this goes in this way. So I need to make sure I put my drive into the cradle the correct way. this corner of the case is gone. One of the metal inserts is broken. These palm rest top plates, I've seen a number of them fail. And this one was strange coming out. The screw didn't quite come out normally, and that's why. So the plastic screw boss has failed and the metal insert has come out. So I'm just going to fix this. Might as well. Can. Wait on that bottom left corner until just as long as I can, giving that glue more time to cure. And I will be very careful when I open this. Just going to try to hold those hinges in place. Okay. Okay, all that's left is to plug the keyboard in, flip it over, and put the 3 keyboard screws in. Okay, it boots into Windows. Much better. I'm happy. I think the customer is going to be happy. So with that, we'll call it a day. Thanks for watching.